Namaste and welcome.
Namaste and welcome.
You might know from my Hindi fundamental videos that in Hindi, all the alphabets together are called Varnmala. And Varnmala is made up of Swar and vyanjan, that is, vowels and consonants. In today's video, we will be talking about Swar or vowels. I will tell you the pronunciation of each vowel, two words starting with that vowel, and how to use those words in sentences. Now, the sentences can be gender specific or gender neutral. If you see this icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, then the gender is feminine. And if you see this icon, then the gender is masculine. Otherwise, the sentence is gender neutral. And before we start, please subscribe to my channel, and after this video, check out some of my other videos. If you would like to support the channel, you can buy me a coffee. The link is in the description. And don't forget to like this video. Let's start.
The first alphabet is A, and the first word with A is anar.
Anar,
In English, it means pomegranate. An example sentence is, this pomegranate is ripe. यह अनार पका है.
यह अनार पका है.
The second word with A is ab.
अब,
Now. Now we can eat it. अब हम इसे खा सकते हैं.
अब हम इसे खा सकते हैं. The second alphabet is A, and the first word with A is arm,
Arm.
which in English means mango. Mango is my favorite fruit. आम मेरा मनपसंद फल है.
आम मेरा मनपसंद फल है.
The second word with A is art,
Art.
8. Let's leave at 8 in the morning. सुबह 8 बजे निकलते हैं.
सुबह 8 बजे निकलते हैं. E. And the first word is imli.
इमली,
Tamarind. This tamarind is very sour. यह इमली बहुत खट्टी है.
यह इमली बहुत खट्टी है.
The second word with E is itr.
इत्र,
Perfume. I want this perfume. मुझे यह इत्र चाहिए.
मुझे यह इत्र चाहिए. Next is E. The first word is eek,
Eek.
which in English means sugarcane. I grow sugarcane. मैं ईख उगाती हूँ. मैं ईख उगाती हूँ.
मैं ईख उगाता हूँ. मैं ईख उगाता हूँ.
The second word with E is ईर्ष्या,
ईर्ष्या.
which in English means jealousy. Avoid jealousy. ईर्ष्या से बचो.
ईर्ष्या से बचो. The next alphabet is U. And the first word is Ullu.
उल्लू,
Owl. Owl sleeps during daytime. उल्लू दिन के समय सोता है.
उल्लू दिन के समय सोता है.
And the second word is उपजाऊ.
उपजाऊ,
In English, it means fertile. This soil is fertile. यह मिट्टी उपजाऊ है.
यह मिट्टी उपजाऊ है. ऊ. The first word with ऊ is ऊन,
ऊन.
wool. Wool comes from sheep. ऊन भेड़ से आती है.
ऊन भेड़ से आती है.
The second word is ऊपर,
ऊपर.
which means up or above. I am going up. मैं ऊपर जा रही हूँ. मैं ऊपर जा रही हूँ.
मैं ऊपर जा रहा हूँ. मैं ऊपर जा रहा हूँ. The next alphabet is Ri. ऋण.
ऋण,
It means debt or loan. I have to pay my debt. मुझे अपना ऋण चुकाना है.
मुझे अपना ऋण चुकाना है.
The second word is Ritu.
ऋतु,
Season. Season is changing. ऋतु बदल रही है.
ऋतु बदल रही है. Next is A. The first word is एक,
एक,
which means one. The rate is 1%. दर 1% है.
दर 1% है.
The second word is एकता,
एकता,
which means unity. There is strength in unity. एकता में शक्ति है.
एकता में शक्ति है. The next alphabet is I, and the first word is ऐनक.
ऐनक,
Spectacles. My spectacles are blue. मेरा ऐनक नीला है.
मेरा ऐनक नीला है.
The second word with I is ऐतिहासिक.
ऐतिहासिक,
It means historical. I like historical novels. मुझे ऐतिहासिक उपन्यास पसंद हैं.
मुझे ऐतिहासिक उपन्यास पसंद हैं. O. The first word is ओस,
ओस,
dew. There was dew on the flowers. फूलों पर ओस थी.
फूलों पर ओस थी.
The second word with O is oakley,
ओखली,
mortar. I need a mortar. मुझे एक ओखली चाहिए.
मुझे एक ओखली चाहिए. The next alphabet is O. The first word with O is औरत.
औरत,
Woman. Do you know that woman?
क्या आप उस औरत को जानती हैं? क्या आप उस औरत को जानती हैं?
क्या आप उस औरत को जानते हैं? क्या आप उस औरत को जानते हैं? The second word with O is औसत.
औसत,
It means average. Find the average of these two numbers. इन दो संख्याओं का औसत पता करो.
इन दो संख्याओं का औसत पता करो. Ang. And the first word with ang is angur,
अंगूर,
which means grapes. Which grapes do you want, red or green? तुम्हें कौन से अंगूर चाहिए, लाल या हरे?
तुम्हें कौन से अंगूर चाहिए, लाल या हरे?
The second word is अंक,
अंक,
which means numeral or point. How many points did you get? तुम्हें कितने अंक मिले?
तुम्हें कितने अंक मिले? And the last alphabet is ah. An example word is dukh. As you might see here, it doesn't get literally represented as you see it on the left, but instead the colon sign is what depicts aha in this word dukh.
दुख. Also, there are no words that actually start with ah. It is always either in the middle or at the end of a word.
Sorrow. Your days of sorrow will be over soon. तुम्हारे दुख के दिन जल्दी समाप्त होंगे.
तुम्हारे दुख के दिन जल्दी समाप्त होंगे.
Another word is antatah. As you can see again here, the colon sign at the end represents the alphabet ah.
अंततः.
It means eventually or finally. Eventually, we reached home. अंततः हम घर पहुंचे.
अंततः हम घर पहुँचे. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.